Hi and welcome to Alsa Cabinet Creator. I'll spend the next couple of minutes running through this video demonstration of our new online ordering system for custom cabinets and benchtops. In order to get into the program, click on the login screen, type in your username and password allocated to you by our representatives. The password can be changed at any time once you're inside the program. And here's the program home page. We have a couple of different options. New template, which is a mask where you would enter standard depths and heights of cabinets that you would commonly use, and this saves time when you make a new quote from the template, or you can do a new quote from scratch. This means that you need to enter in all the information every time. So we'll demonstrate this using a new quote from the template. We've already got some templates set up. You would set up your own. I'd use everyday cabinets. Quote for John Guest. He has a purchase order number Description is kitchen, and we will customize the finishes of the doors for this job. Click on external color. We have a number of brands: Alsa polyurethane doors, Alsa melamine colors, which are stock colors and therefore the best price. Or we can just go for example, a Polytech commodity color. Click down, choose a color like light beige, update, and then we need to choose an edge, 1mm edge. Save and go, and we're ready to order or select our base cupboards. We'll demonstrate by choosing a two-door base cupboard. Click on that, and up comes the selection where we put in the width of the cabinet. And you click again, and it has worked out the size of the doors. We want standard hinges and legs supplied. We can add a number for this cabinet which might refer to your drawing. Save and go. Now we'll go down and choose a, for example, 3-drawer unit, and the same thing, we put in a width, say it needed to be 650. It's worked out all the gaps, and we have a 3-drawer standard equal drawer front drawer box. We can also change the front height, so we can, for example, use a 180 height on the first drawer, which would then, you see here, it leaves a 57.4mm gap, so we need to add that to our last drawer front, or second one. We'll make the last one, it comes to 294.7, enter, and we have a 0 gap remaining. The next thing is the runner length of 500 fits into our drawer box of 560. We can change that, and we can use different drawer lengths. Now the ones which end in 270 and 420 and 470 are soft close drawers, but for the demonstration we'll stick with a 500 multi-tech drawer by Hettich. We need to select the height of the drawer side. We'll use a 118. The second drawer we'll use a 118, and for the pot drawer at the bottom, we might use a 214. We then save and go, and you see on the right hand side is our quote with 2 cabinets, no benchtop yet. And you can click on show cart, or we would just go and order accessories, hardware accessories. Click on that, and there's a number of selections here that we might use a 45mm screws to fix the cabinets with. 1 packet of 100. Save and go, and then we also might select some handles. Click on handles, and we will choose some finger pull handles, and we might need 5 of those. Save and go, and we have now got cabinets and accessories and handles. And we'll go to benchtop, and on our selection of benchtop we'll just use a straight benchtop. Here we can choose from a number of finishes made by Laminex or Wilson Art or Formica, for example. So we'll take a Wilson Art and we can select Amaretto. You'll notice that the color, as a confirmation, the color will come up in the benchtop size. We then go to the next stage, and here we choose the thickness of the benchtop, 32mm, which is common. Next step, the length, and in this case we will put in a length of 2600, a depth on the B measurement 600, the C will be the same, and the back measurement D will be the same as A. Go to the next step, and we need to choose the edge profile. The front edge profile, we'll choose an 8-8, and on the back we will use a raw edge. The next step, the B side standard laminated end, and the right one up against the wall, we only need a raw end. Save and go, and now we can, from the quote, we can estimate for our customer. Estimate. Okay, you have opportunity to put in a markup, assembly price and installation price, and print a quote for your customer. Return and go back to show cart, and from here we now can place an order. Click on place order. The final step before the order is processed is to pick up or delivery selection. Delivery is within 60-kilometer radius in Metro Sydney, or on request we can organize transport around the state. Save and go. We now have a list of all our previous orders, which we can reload, check at any time, and here's the email which you will receive within minutes of placing your order, showing you all the details of your order. Return back to the screen, back to the home page, and we are ready to do another quote. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to having you as a customer. Bye-bye.